From the roads we drive to the grid that powers our homes, batteries are everywhere. For over 100 years, one organization and its members have led the charge. Now, the entire industry converges in one place at one moment to shape what comes next. Nashville, the battery industry is taking the stage, and the show starts right now. BCI and its members power the people, policies, and innovations behind America's battery industry. And the momentum has never been greater. From landmark policies in critical minerals to next-gen research and worldwide safety standards, here's how BCI and its members continue to move the battery industry forward. BCI preserved critical support for battery manufacturing, accelerating investment in domestic supply chains, keeping thousands of American jobs protected. After years of advocacy from BCI, the USGS designated lead as a critical mineral, setting the stage for transformative policies that will strengthen domestic supply chains in the years to come. BCI is fighting for stronger policy support, breakthrough investments, and a world-class recycling network. BCI is doubling down on research and innovation. The Consortium for Lead Battery Leadership, a landmark public-private research partnership with the U.S. Department of Energy and the American Battery Research Group, continues to pioneer new technology, advancing next-gen expander molecules with Argonne National Lab and the University of Toledo. For more than a century, BCI has been bringing together industry leaders, innovators, and policymakers to shape the future of energy storage. Flow Batteries North America builds on this legacy, returning this October. In 2025, it featured more than 150 delegates, researchers, manufacturers, and investors, all in one room. The future is now for grid-scale storage, and BCI is leading the conversation. BCI continues to raise the global bar for health and safety. The LB360 Certification Program, an international standard for responsible sourcing and production, welcomed 10 participants from around the world. Together with BCI, these partners will bring best-in-class safety practices worldwide. With 102 years of leadership, the best is yet to come. The future starts right here at BCI 2026. Welcome to Nashville.